welcome back to my channel. Yeah, today is all about this colorful eyes you're seeing here. It's so gorgeous. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Support this family, help me to grow this channel, please. If you don't know, that subscribe button is that red button by your right hand side. I'm sure when you're watching this by your right hand side, just click on it and you will see one bell. Click on it so that you don't miss any video from me. So that is it, gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will catch you guys in my next one. Till then, do what you love, whatever you love doing that makes you happy. If it is to eat, if it is to dance, if it is to make up like me, if it is like going out with friends, whatever that makes you happy, just do it. And I'll see you guys in my next one. So today I'll be playing with some colors. This yellowish color. So I'm going to press that. Just back this, because the shade, what I'm going for is going to be very, very colorful. With this brush here, I'm going to take this bright orange color here. using this Fossis that I always use from Eve So Free. So lashes are done. I'm going to move on to the rest of my face. To start with, I'm going to spray this water. These are sensitive vegetal from Eve Rocher. I turn it into this can. The original can is not this one. I just turn it because that one don't have this spray something, so I turn it here and I put the sticker here. Yeah. I'll spray this all over my face. So I'm going to use this foundation, this Dream Satin liquid foundation from Maybelline. Using this full cover concealer is also a corrector. This is from Sac Lady. I'm using this contour stick from Eve Rocher. I add much because this concealer is very light. It's lighter than my skin tone, so that is why I added much contour. So I'm going to set my face with this powder from Sephora. Then I'm going to contour my face with this from Eve Rocher. I normally use this. You guys should know this by now. I'm going to line my waterline with this white eyeliner. This is from No Name. Okay, Fashion Makeup. This is from Fashion Makeup number 2. Then I'm going to press this yellow that we'll use at first. I'm going to press it underneath. Go back to the purple. this color here and blend it here. Add mascara to my bottom lash. So for my blush, I'll be using this shade here, Swan. For my lips, I will be using this lipstick. This one is from Easy Shine. Lip gloss from Fenty Beauty. And that is it for this look.